Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to show you this little LED light here that I got. I just installed it in the closet. It's super easy to do. Just this little mount thing here that it came with. It just has a little metal strip in it and a double-sided sticky tape that comes with it. So you just stick it up there. Then this light has a metal strip on the back of it. Or actually, this is the magnet and the metal strip on the mounting bracket there. So it just has this little button on the end to give you your 3 light options or brightness options in your USB charging at the end there, or USB-C, I mean. And let me show you how bright it is. So turn this light off and I'll show it to you. It does a good job at lighting up my entire closet here. One thing that I really do like about it is that it doesn't have to stay permanently mounted there, but there is a holding spot for it. But this closet here is right outside of my kid's bedroom, so sometimes I have the door open. If I'm up late and I need the light on to get in this closet for whatever reason, I don't want to turn on the main light and disrupt them, so I like having this little option here. So obviously with the light off, it will illuminate this top shelf really well, but not the bottom ones. But since it's loose, I can just easily take it down. Basically like a flashlight. So pull it down, look and see what I need to grab and get it out of there. And also my door that I have right here is a metal door, so the magnet on it's actually strong enough so that if I want to just set it out here, I can do that as well. So it's just a really cool, useful, and versatile light. So I'm really happy about it. I think it's really cool. I like it a lot. Definitely think it is worth the money that it costs.